In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales with Close.com. If you're building a Close.com account for a sales team from scratch, the best approach is to define your sales process first and then configure the CRM to match it. That way, every lead follows the same journey, from first contact all the way to a closed deal, and your team can work more consistently. To begin, log into your Close.com account. Once you're in, head over to Settings. This is where you'll manage the core configuration for how your workspace handles leads, stages, and reporting. From Settings, go to Customization and select Statuses and Pipelines. This area is important because it controls how leads are categorized and how opportunities move through your sales workflow. Lead statuses help your team understand where a contact stands overall, while pipelines help track the progress of actual sales opportunities. Next, open your lead statuses. Before changing anything here, take a moment to make sure your sales process is clearly defined. Your setup should include the following lead statuses: potential, bad fit, qualified, customer, interested, canceled, not interested, new, contacted, closed won, and closed lost. These statuses give your team a shared language for handling leads and make it much easier to filter, report, and follow up properly. The goal is for every lead to move through a clear and consistent path. Once your lead statuses are ready, scroll down a little and click New Pipeline. This is where you'll create the structure for your sales opportunity flow. Rename the pipeline to Sales Pipeline, then click Save. Giving it a clear, simple name helps keep your account organized, especially as your team grows or adds more processes later. Now start adding the stages for your pipeline. First, add Qualified. This stage is for leads that meet your basic criteria and are worth actively pursuing. Then add Discovery, which is typically where your team learns more about the prospect's needs, goals, and challenges. After that, add Demo. This stage is useful when you're presenting your product or service and showing how it solves the prospect's problem. Next, add Proposal. This is the stage where pricing, scope, or formal offers are shared. Then add Negotiation. This stage captures the back-and-forth discussions before a final decision is made. After that, add Closed Won for deals that successfully convert into customers. Finally, add Closed Lost for deals that do not move forward, so your team can track outcomes accurately and learn from them. Also, make sure to connect your email so you can send messages, track opens, log replies automatically, and keep a full conversation history for each lead. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.